Remember to use your leg. Should feel like you're using your ankles to move him over.
You look good on him.
Yeah, he's the perfect size for you. All right, go ahead and trot. Don't shorten up your reins first. See how it's going. And remember, when you want him to slow down, you're asking him repeatedly, not, demanding it all at once. Does that make sense? What? Asking repeatedly with your inside hand and outside hand, asking repeatedly to slow down instead of just one time pulling and expecting him to, stop. Does that make sense?